Hey, welcome back to my channel again, once again, ladies. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jessica and I do all things pink video. So if you're interested, please keep on watching.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get...
As you may know from the title, I will be removing my Christmas tree, and like I promised you, if you've seen my stories on my Instagram, I mentioned that I was going to post a video where I, show you guys how I remove all my decorations from Christmas. So we're going to be doing that today, and let's start. As you may know, this was my decoration, so I'll be removing all of this, putting that away, and of course my little gingerbread, my reindeers that I have here, and those presents, which was only for decoration purpose. So yeah, I'll be taking down my nutcrackers, and of course that garden, which is already falling down. I guess it wants me to remove it, and as well as putting it away, my snowman and this beautiful bicycle flowery. It was a centerpiece, but I decided to put it here. So yes, I'm gonna be removing that, and I'll be showing you everything. And I'm gonna be fast forwarding, just this video doesn't take too long. So let's begin. Okay. So I'm gonna be using this bag for my sparkly decorations.